him, I live whenever, and we love you, Balaton Sound!
Yo, what's up, Balaton? My name is Martin Garrix, and I love you.
Yo, we're Rudimental, and we're here at Balaton Festival. We love ya.
Hey, this is Dimitri Vegas Like Mike. We're here at Balaton Sound. It was fucking insane. See you guys next time. Peace.
What's up, guys? It's David Guetta. I'm backstage, just finished the show. It was fucking insane, as usual. Thank you so much, Balaton. Love you guys.
Hi, my name is Sebastian Ingrosso. I'm at Balaton Sounds, Hungary, 2014.
Yo, what up? It's Wiz Khalifa, and I'm about to kill the stage right here on Balaton Sound.
Hey, this is Diplo. I'm at Balaton Sound, Hungary. It's so much fun, you gotta come too!
Hi, I'm Rita and I am at Balaton Sound. Get ready to get mashed up.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Armin van Buuren. I just want to say a big thank you to Balaton Sound for supporting me for so many years, and I'll see you again very soon.